My role is really sort of two-pronged. I focus a lot of my time and effort on the innovation space, helping the organization look at what we can do to help grow and diversify and move our business forward. And on the strategy side, I work with teams for strategic planning, visioning, and setting, of course, the strategy for the organization going forward. Harvard Pilgrim is really interested in innovation, in particular since we launched our strategic plan in 2015. And our plan has two pillars. One pillar is focusing on the core business and the work that we do on a regular day-to-day basis. But the new pillar, the other pillar, is really focused on incubation and innovation and diversification. So that's when the language around innovation and the focus on innovation became an imperative for us. We spent a lot of time talking about how are we going to achieve these goals, how are we going to work in this new environment. And there were three focus areas for us. One was developing a culture of innovation, really bringing the organization along with us and growing the organization in that way. The second was focused on partnerships. Who in our environment, in our ecosystem in the Boston healthcare area could we work with that's already advancing, making great advancements in this area. And the third was on how do we invest, whether it's financially or other resources, in this space, in the innovation space. So with regard to the first and the third, where are we going to invest both our resources and how are we going to bring the organization along, we knew that crowdsourcing would be a great platform to get as many employees across the enterprise involved in innovation and generating new ideas. My favorite story is a bit of a surprise to me. We ran a challenge, a mock challenge. We called it a rapid hackathon, where we invited folks to bring their computers into 3 or 4 sites around the organization. It was webcast, and I did a rapid demo where we asked people, what more would you like from your health plan? We found people, by virtue of using it, having the tool, trying it out, safe environment, not a challenge that went public, but was sort of a private environment. We found those were the people who were the greatest adopters. And one person actually went so far as to bring the idea back to his own team and to get them involved in their own next stage challenge. It was called our Go Green initiative. And that became an idea or a challenge that launched 40 ideas. 8 of them were adopted by the organization. And a lot of visibility, a lot more energy came out of that. When I talk about the Spigit community, I'm talking about not only the community of users, but also the support community that is provided through Spigit, who support us on a regular basis, are always available to us if we have a question, and it can be as simple as, can you help me come up with a good challenge, a good way to state this challenge question, or can you give me a report out on some of the work we've done to date? So they've been great support. And then through them and through Spigit, we have gotten exposed to and had an opportunity to network with a number of other users. And that allows us to hear what their experiences are. How are they using the Spigit platform? How are they running challenges? Are they doing always on? Are they doing one-time challenges? Are they enterprise-wide? Are they focused groups? We bounce ideas off one another. We challenge each other's thinking around approaches. I have found the Spigit community to really be a valuable asset for us as we work through our innovation program.